Okay, I'm Robert and I'm with Blockchain Education.
Trading silver, I'm in 5 minis, which is a great deal. It's a really large amount. I would take profits at slightly higher than the current value and waiting for it to come back up. Once it hits this little area, I will make $2,200 on this trade. The price volatility on silver is massive. Even 1 unit in the mini on silver is a really big trade. Silver is extremely volatile price-wise and even movement-wise. Has great volatility because for the first time ever is over $70 an ounce, which is massive because just 6 months ago silver was $30 an ounce. So we're just waiting for this to go up and pop. Take the limit order, which it will certainly do, 100%. Where else can you make $2,200 on one single trade? There we go. $2,200. One trade.
Feel free to watch it again. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I'll be glad to try to help you and answer your questions. Have a good day. Happy trading.